Hello, my name is Natalia Pareja, and this is the course English Phonetic, and this is Tax 5 Pronunciation Practice. Okay? Reading. Read the following text. Try to make your best effort pronouncing the symbol. Don't forget to have in mind right intonation and stress. Teacher pretest, the pretest lost. 1 week, the teacher. 1 small art classes and better men. They say that there must be more staff in schools. Schools say that there is not many. However, teachers do not believe that. They say that schools spend the money on different ends. Minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words that vary by only a single sound. These sounds may confuse English learning. Then pronounce them, having in mind the separation of the sounds. Okay? Cat, but. White, wise. Read, road. Kite, night. Take, stick. Cough, coat. Pin, bin. Till, peel. Teach, pitch. They, pay. Dig, pick. Deal, peel. Duck, book. Date, bait. Told, call. Tool, cool. Tape, cape. Dot, coat. Town, gown. Tie, goy. Tap, gap. Tall, goal. Tag, gag. Table, gable. Tin, fin. Tail, file. Tone, phone. Tick, wick. Okay? Intonation and streaks. Read the following sentences having in mind the suprasegmental features. Statements with 3 streaks. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with 4 streaks. She wants to buy a new car. They wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statement with 5 streaks. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special question following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General questions, rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? requests, raising intonation. May I speak to ella, please? Okay. Call. Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions, raising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag questions. Falling is raising intonation. You don't know them, you do. They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should it, should I? Commands, falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request, raising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences, falling intonation. It is good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, raising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating, raising intonation. I brought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Responses. I can, she is. He will, you should, I can. He didn't. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.